In a sunlit kitchen, a beagle attempts a bake sale, noses a pie, and proudly presents it as if it were a trophy. A parakeet on a treadmill mimics a fitness influencer, fluffing feathers for the camera while a cat judges from above. A clever ferret learns to steer a tiny remote car, honking the horn every time it spots a squeaky toy. A sleepy pug refuses nap time until a squeaky toy whistle wakes a chorus of neighborhood critters. When a goat crashes a picnic, it negotiates for a carrot treaty, ending with high fives and giggles.